What's up, YouTube? We are back finally. I know it's been a while since I posted like a real video, but we're back and with a new toy. So as you can see, we got the 2020 Ducati V4S. She's awesome. She's not new, but she's new to me. So I haven't been able to have the chance to ride it as much as I want to. I literally just picked up the bike not too long ago. I picked it up on Saturday, so I've only had the bike for about like 4 days. And when I was riding the bike home, I gave it some gas, you know, obviously, right? Full throttle, and we have an issue. So the problem with the bike is that under load, under heavy load, under full throttle, the motorcycle seems to like cut out once it hits like 6,000 RPM. It like slowly picks up all the way up until that 8,000 RPM, kind of like bogging. And then after it hits those 8K RPMs, the bike just shoots like a missile sometimes. Or sometimes it just like continues to like cut off. I really don't know what the issue is. I've like searched all over the forums. I have asked people on Facebook, I've tried to do a lot of research, and I haven't really found like a clear answer. A lot of people have gone through the exact same thing with not just this model, but 1299s, 1199s, older models as well. So I don't know. The one thing that I do like about having a Ducati is that like when you ask for help on like Facebook or a forum, it gets answered so quick and so many people like help out. Like just the first day of me posting this problem on Facebook, I had like over, I don't know, I think it's like over like 60 comments, 400 likes on the picture of the bike itself. So, you know, being in the Ducati community has its like super big pros. It's awesome because there's so many people that actually do help out with like really useful information. Where I'm at now is that the first thing I'm doing is I ordered a brand new fuel pump for the bike. I don't think that it's a fuel pump just because like it does give it that power and it does give it that fuel after those like 8K RPM. So like if it was a fuel pump, in my mind I'm thinking like, okay, like it might like bog even at lower RPMs, at higher RPMs. Like that's what would make sense to me for a bad fuel pump. But again, I'm not a motorcycle mechanic, but that's where I'm gonna start. First I'm gonna start with the fuel pump, replace that. That gets here on Friday, so I'll do like a separate video of probably installing that. We're gonna start the fuel pump. If the fuel pump doesn't fix it, which I pray to God if the fuel pump does fix it. If the fuel pump does not fix it, then we're gonna go for the tune. So as you can see, the Ducati has the Aero full titanium. God, look at that blue. And so it does have the Ducati up map, which is like somewhere here. And with that, I've seen some people say that like the up map tune kind of sucks, that the up map is great, but I don't know. I mean, like this is my first tuned bike. I have my 1199 as well, which should be arriving to my home any day this week now. So we have 2 Ducatis on the channel now, let's go. The 1199 is not tuned. The 1199 has a stock exhaust. I don't know much about the tuning. I think that it might be like a tuning issue. A lot of people have also said like it might be like a quick shifter, like a bad quick shifter. But I also don't think it's that, because like it shifts perfectly fine up and down with the quick shifter. Like there's no problem. Every single time that I use it, it works just fine. People also said that it might be like the traction control setting. If it is that, then I need to figure that out, because I mean, again, I am completely new to like this TFT display. I don't even know how to use it really. Like I've been watching YouTube videos and kind of exploring with it by myself, but I've been so busy where I don't have much time to go and explore. This video is just to introduce you guys to the new bike, and to hopefully, if you guys have any idea or can push me in the right direction as to what the problem is, please comment below and let me know. Any help would be super appreciated. I got new camera setup, new stuff coming in, so for vlogging and everything, all that stuff is gonna be perfect for this year. We're gonna be doing a lot of bike meets, some track days later on. Probably not gonna take this or the 1199 because I'm not skilled enough yet.
But what the hell, boy?
So I might take like something smaller like the Gixxer 250, or also planning on buying a 600. Maybe we'll take one of those to like the track. That's all gonna be coming in these like upcoming months. But yeah, guys, super happy to have this, super happy to have the opportunity to have a V4S. It's been my dream bike since it like came out. Ducati has been in general my dream. So we got the 1199 and we got the V4S. But yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Just to finish this off, let's do a quick cold start for the bike. And yeah, if you guys have any idea as to what could be wrong with the V4S, please let me know. Comment any help that you have or any idea of what's going on. Stay tuned, this Friday we'll be installing the fuel pump and we'll go from there. Hope you guys enjoyed this cold start and see y'all soon. It literally may be too loud for the mic to pick it up, but we're gonna try it anyways.